got taking care of yourself and your loved ones covered. Vitamins, transportation, gym membership, lunch, even that trumpet. But when your family needs health care, you may worry about being able to take care of the costs. What if you could feel confident instead? A Wells Fargo Health Savings Account, or HSA, helps take the worry out of paying for healthcare costs, so you can make the most of every healthcare dollar you spend, save, or invest. Here's how it works. Your HSA acts like a safety net to help you pay for expected and unexpected healthcare expenses. You can use your account with your HSA-qualified health plan to get the care you need. Then, for example, when you go to the doctor or dentist, fill a prescription, or get your eyes checked, you already have money set aside to pay for your health plan deductible and other out-of-pocket costs. But this isn't just any account. It's a tax-advantaged account. That means you can use your HSA tax-free to pay those bills. And get this, the money you put into your HSA is also tax-deductible. You may even be able to contribute pre-tax if your employer allows. And the interest and investment earnings on your HSA funds, also tax-free. You get tax advantages on every dollar you put in or spend from your HSA, making your money go further when paying for health care. And what's more, your HSA goes where you go, even if you get a new job, switch health insurance providers, or finally retire to that island. You can still use your HSA. It's yours. And you can carry over money from year to year and save it for retirement. Now here's the really big deal. Your HSA can help you invest for future expenses, just like an IRA. So when you're retired on that island, you'll have money socked away for health care and even more. It's easy. Choose from a range of mutual funds or work with an experienced investment professional to find the fund that's right for you. Now, who's eligible for an HSA? You. If you're currently enrolled in an HSA-qualified health plan and aren't covered by other health insurance, on Medicare, or can be claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. If you're not sure, talk to your employer or health insurance company. If you're ready to get started, Wells Fargo is here to help with tools, information, education, and one-on-one support, online or on the go. Why wait? Get started today. You may think that healthcare expenses can really hurt your wallet. What if you could stretch your healthcare dollars even further? A Wells Fargo Health Savings Account, or HSA, gives you a way to save and pay for healthcare expenses, yours and your loved ones, all with money you don't pay taxes on. This leaves you with more money to spend on healthcare. How does that work? Usually a chunk of your paycheck gets taken out for taxes, often 30%. So what was once $100 is only $70 in your pocket. With your HSA, you don't pay those taxes, meaning you have the full $100 to spend. That's $30 extra you can use for healthcare. And best of all, using the money you save in your HSA is really easy, especially with a Wells Fargo Visa HSA debit card. You can use it for qualified medical expenses at the doctor, at the pharmacy, or even to pay a bill. Don't have your debit card with you? You can pay another way and then reimburse yourself from your HSA later. You can even use Wells Fargo Online Bill Pay to pay your doctor directly from your HSA. Just remember to keep your receipts in case you need them for tax purposes in the future. What if you have a large expense during the year and don't have enough in your HSA to cover it? Don't worry. You can reimburse yourself from your account anytime, whether it's at the end of the year or 30 years from now. And the really great thing is that you can use your HSA for more than you'd expect. At the eye doctor, dentist, chiropractor, acupuncturist, and more. Wells Fargo is here to help with tools, information, education, and one-on-one support, online or on the go. Why wait? Get started today. When it comes to your healthcare budget, planning for unexpected expenses can be quite a balancing act. Wouldn't it be wonderful to have a financial safety net to rely on for out-of-pocket costs? With a health savings account from Wells Fargo, or HSA, you can move toward a more confident future for you and your loved ones. Here's how it works. An HSA gives you a way to save for medical costs with tax-free dollars. You contribute to your HSA through payroll deductions or by transferring money from your bank account without paying federal income taxes on that money. These tax savings can boost your healthcare safety net by up to 30% or more. And remember, the money you use to pay for qualified medical expenses from your HSA is not subject to income tax. When you add these tax advantages to any contributions your employer makes or the premium savings you may get by choosing an HSA-qualified plan, you may be able to grow your HSA without ever decreasing your take-home pay. And unlike a flexible spending account, the money you put into your HSA is yours. That means any unused dollars will continue to carry over each year, enabling your safety net to grow even faster. Are you ready to start saving? First, set a goal to save enough to cover your health plan's annual deductible. Then, target your annual out-of-pocket maximum so you have enough saved to offset any unexpected costs. As you can see, an HSA is a smart way to protect yourself with a safety net for unexpected health costs. And isn't that a great thing to fall back on? Wells Fargo is here to help with tools, information, education, and one-on-one support, online or on the go. Why wait? Get started today. It takes a lot of smart preparation and careful thought to cover your goals for the future by putting together a retirement plan. Especially when you consider that studies show the average couple today may need $250,000 in retirement just for healthcare expenses. And that figure could jump to $500,000 in 30 years. A Wells Fargo Health Savings Account, or HSA, can be an important part of your retirement planning and can be used on qualified medical expenses regardless of your health plan. You can gain great financial advantages and sweeten your retirement by investing your HSA funds. How does that work? Just think of your HSA as an IRA for healthcare expenses with similar tax advantages. Your integrated investment account gives you a simple way to grow your HSA so you have more to spend in retirement. To really maximize your savings, consider keeping all funds in your HSA and use other income for healthcare expenses. Just save your receipts and you can pay yourself back anytime, even 30 years from now. Through the power of investing over time, the value of those dollars could be much higher in the future than if you pulled them out of your HSA today. And after age 65, you can use the money in your HSA for non-medical expenses too. Those funds are only taxed at your income tax rate, which is typically lower in retirement. And the really good news? Even if you invest your HSA dollars, the money is still yours to spend on medical expenses, now through retirement, with no income tax or penalty tax. A Wells Fargo HSA may just be the piece of your retirement planning that puts it all in place. Wells Fargo is here to help with tools, information, education, and one-on-one support, online or on the go. Why wait? Get started today.